How to change hydraulic oil and filter on a mini excavator. Why change hydraulic oil and filters? Prevents contamination, ensures smooth operation, extends equipment life. When to change hydraulic oil and filters? Hydraulic oil. Change every 2,000 hours of operation. Hydraulic oil filter. Replace every 1,000 hours of operation. Step 1. Park safely. Make sure the machine is on level ground. Fully retract the arm cylinder, extend the bucket cylinder, and lower the bucket to the ground. Let the engine idle for about 5 minutes. Turn off the engine, ensure all joysticks are in neutral, and remove the key. Wait until the hydraulic oil cools down, as it may be very hot. Step 2. Access the hydraulic tank remove covers. Use a wrench to take off the roof panel bolts in the cover over the hydraulic oil tank. Clean the top of the hydraulic oil reservoir. Step 3. Release pressure carefully. Gradually open the hydraulic oil cap to release any built-up pressure. Be careful to avoid oil spraying out, which can be hazardous. Drain the oil. Remove the drain plug at the bottom of the hydraulic oil tank to drain the oil completely. Step 4. Replace the hydraulic oil filter. Reinstall the drain plug and take out the old hydraulic oil filter by turning it counterclockwise. Clean the filter and tank. Thoroughly clean the filter in the inside of the hydraulic tank to remove any residue or contaminants. Install the new filter. Position the new filter securely onto the outlet. Ensure the levers are properly placed and that the filter is securely attached. Seal the tank with gasket sealer before attaching the hydraulic oil cap to the hydraulic oil tank. Step 5. Refill the hydraulic oil. Add new or reused oil. Pour slowly and steadily until the oil level reaches the 2/3 mark. This is the standard fill level to ensure proper operation. Step 6. Reassemble and test. Reassemble all parts. Replace all covers and panels that were removed during the process. Start the engine and let it idle for about 2 minutes. Check all the controls and ensure there are no leaks or issues with the hydraulic system. Changing hydraulic oil and filters is a straightforward task that you can easily handle with the right tools and steps. Remember, at AHM, we offer high-quality mini excavators and top-notch support for all your equipment needs.